Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going over how to manually link your bank account to Plaid when the automatic connection doesn't work. This method takes a little longer, but is straightforward if you follow these steps. First, start by opening the app or website that uses Plaid for bank verification. When you get to the screen asking you to connect your bank, search for your bank's name. If it appears but can't connect, or if it's not listed, look for an option like Link with Account Numbers or Manual Verification. Select Manual Verification. Plaid will then ask for your bank's routing number and your account number. You can find both on a paper check in your bank's app or by contacting your bank directly. Make sure to enter them carefully. One wrong digit will cause delays. After entering the numbers, Plaid will usually send 2 small test deposits to your account, often just a few cents each. This process can take 1 to 2 business days. Once the deposits appear in your bank account, return to the app or site and enter the exact amounts to confirm. This tells Plaid the account is yours and allows it to link securely. If you don't see the deposits after 2 business days, double-check the numbers you entered or contact your bank for help. By following these steps, you can manually connect your bank to Plaid without relying on instant login. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share your experience in the comments. Thanks for watching.